If you own a Team Corrali, chances are you've broken a battery strap or the battery tray or even both. So our friend Tyson over at Garage Life RC has the solution for you. We're going to put this in the car, we're going to bash it, test it, and see if his product's any good. It's the good stuff. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pleased to have you here for another RC vehicle adventure. That's right, you guys know, if you watch the channel, that I have the AMAIN XLR. I love this, probably one of my favorite RC cars. It's just bonkers, man, this like oversized buggy. I also have the Kagama. And then also with Team Corrali, I do have the Synchro 4, but it's a smaller platform, does not use this setup, so you should be okay with that little RC. So, this one here I broke. You'll see it better when we get it out. You can see my epoxy job right here. And then my Kagama, I broke the battery strap. So I ordered these from Garage Life RC. I've used several products of his, and I've been happy with everything I've gotten from him so far, so I believe that this should be just as good as anything else. You guys, I love supporting the small mom and pop places. I mean, you still gotta earn, you know, a recommendation and all that. You gotta make good products. I'm not just gonna sit there and say, oh, get this stuff. But like I said, I've used a lot of his products, and it's been pretty good. So it's all 3D printed right here. Look, nice, flexible, so any flexing in the chassis, it should move with it. Oh, okay, so he's even got the channel here for the servo wires, or the ESC wires, maybe? Oh yeah, the ESC wires. Channel through here. He's even got the mount here for the ESC, the mount too. And so then we have a strap here that's going to keep the battery from going forward and back. And then we got two straps here that are left and right. And these look like some hefty straps. This, guys, look at this stuff. Anybody that watches my channel for a minute knows I am really not like a basher. You know, I don't go out there and jump my cars like extreme distances and do crazy stuff with them. I'm more of a ground pounder. So if I'm breaking stuff, then, oh no, actually right here, even this one, I broke one of the straps here, because this is a FPV drone strap. So I broke this and a strap. The straps on these things, they really aren't worth a flippity flip. So what do we got? I know we got two screws that hold this on. That should be it. So it should be that one and that one. And then we also had the two screws right there where the ESC is. Does look like there is some thread locker involved into that as well. So this is going to be the bad part, is trying to get this wire. See, so here's the problem with the Corrali, right? We have this cutout here for some reason in this front bulkhead, and there's just nothing here to support this. So if you take a hit and the battery shifts, it just snaps that. Like you can see here, what happened on this one, it just snapped. So that's kind of a bad design. It really needs to be tied in, so this bulkhead here has something to grab onto, but it doesn't. That's the way they sell it. Plus their straps. Oof, these straps are horrible. I will save my FPV drone one. But alrighty, so I think it just looks like we're just going to be able to stand this thing up like this. Go ahead and feed the wire like so. Hopefully y'all can see that. Nothing very difficult. Nothing very difficult at all. It actually fits in there quite nicely. And then we're just going to rotate this thing around, and boom, there we have it. Lift up on the ESC, get that to slide in. And there we have it. You're gonna need a little force to get those screws started because you're gonna have to punch through that 3D printing material until you get to the threaded part. So just be aware of that. There you go. Let the Loctite do its job. You don't have to go in there and wrench the living crap-a-moly out of it. And you got these two here. So you're just threading into the 3D material, so you don't need to go crazy tightening these things. So snug. And you know what's nice is that these straps have a natural tendency here just to automatically flop over and be out of your way. Because before I actually put Velcro right here to like hold the straps as I put the batteries in, because they always had this tendency of snapping and getting in your way. But the beauty, what I really like with these things here, you can see how these just like stand up on their own. So really, really nice. I like that. Check it out, the Garage Life RC battery. All right, so I'm gonna go get a battery. We're gonna go outside and give this thing a test, and I'll give you honest opinion as to what I think of this little battery tray. Before we head out there, those of you that also run Team Crowley also know about how bad these wings break. Tyson makes these flexible mounts for your wings. Look at that. So now when you hit and do all kinds of stuff. And the beauty of it, he offers a whole lot of colors right there. Now, I'm not affiliated with, I don't make any money telling you to go get his stuff, all right? I don't have an affiliate link to his stuff. I just think he makes good products, and I believe in it strongly that I don't have a problem promoting his stuff. Like I said, I don't get anything for it. He's just a good guy, runs a small business. So go support him, and we'll see you outside. Here's another cool thing, like I mentioned or might have seen in the video. Got the battery mat there, because you know batteries ain't cheap. We're not trying to always be buying batteries. Let's take a rubber band and I tie off that balance lead, just to be safe, just in case if it slips out of something here. Here we go. You definitely don't have to worry about how hard you wrench on those straps to keep that in. That is not going anywhere. Oh, where's my... Oh, I put the battery in the wrong way. Oh well. It is what it is. I'm not fixing it. That's probably going to work out better because this is such a... Oh, man, you know, I might not even have space for that. Battery mat. I keep forgetting this car has such limited space at being a buggy. Ah, no, we got it, man. We got it. It's in there. It is in there. If you happen to have an Asuga, I recommend putting a little Velcro right here. Keep these little winglets out of the tires the best you can. All right, I cut in here because people always ask. This is the battery I'm running, 6,000 milliamp hour Z6S. What do we got? It's a 100C. All right, if you missed my video on the wing mount, go ahead and check it out. We purposely trashed it off of this ramp to beat it up. What's that noise? I know this video is more about the battery tray than it is the car, but I do love this car. I just really don't know any way to like overly test the battery tray without like driving it head on into something. I'm not gonna do that. Because you know what? I broke that battery tray on my maiden run, and I mean, I don't even know what I did to break it, to be honest. This and the Kagama, I broke the battery straps just trying to wrench the battery down. Didn't take much at all. So I really just tell you, man, the battery straps on this feel absolutely amazing. I mean, I love the way you can just wrench down on them. Those metal turnbuckles feel really smooth. Golly, man, this thing is... Oh no, not in the street. Whoa, man. Oh, well, there you go. If that wasn't a test for the battery right there, man. Oh shit, actually I think we broke something. Oh yeah, damn, we lost drive somewhere. Damn, that was a hard hit. That thing went straight up and... oh boy, what did we lose? What did we lose here? Oh, broke the damn control arm. Yeah, that happened before too. From what I understand, the original ones, the factory ones, were very weak, and I broke it on the initial one, and it's been good until right now. So I do have another one back at the house. Ah, that sucks. That really does. Well, that should say it all right there. I landed hard enough. I broke this control arm, but the battery itself did not shift. Did not shift at all. It's in there, rock solid. So good job. I mean, we've bounced it off this wing too a few times, and nothing's happened. So you have it. I can't give it much harder test than that. Than to actually break the car and not break the parts I put into it. But yeah, I'll get it home, and we'll go ahead and put a new arm, and I guess I'll order another pair to have on hand in case this happens. But yeah, I remember very specifically I broke that arm. So all right, everyone, Garage Life RC put to the test, and it survived, man. But it's just, when you use this thing, it feels so much better than messing with the other stuff in there. I said, it's really held in there well. The wing mount does really good. You know, check them out, man. Tyson's got some really great stuff. Small mom and pop company. We need to support these guys, keep them in business, because they're making really good stuff, and they're making the hobby better, because the manufacturers are kind of lacking in some of the things. Like, they know these battery trays are bad, but they still put them out. So, and it's not just Karate, it's all the manufacturers. You know, they have certain things with the cars that could be better, but you know, they don't redesign stuff. So people like Tyson, Garage Life RC, make the products so we can have a better experience with the hobby. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Links down below if you care to support the channel. Have you discount codes and ways of shopping, like affiliate links with AMAIN and Horizon. And if you use Amazon, start off at my store, then do your Amazon shopping. Helps me out to buy this stuff to bring the content to you, and I greatly appreciate those of you that do that. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.